Good morning, guys. General Motors? Yeah, what's up with GM? Is GM moving again? Yeah, Upstart. Pretty good EP. Can it have follow through though? That's the question. Or is it gonna be a one-day deal like RKT was? Not sure. We got a big one there. No, I just sold it. I didn't want to hold this piece of shit. Whatever. I'll just buy it when I see a setup. Dip buying is not really my thing. I already have a lot of shit in my portfolio. I didn't want another one. The one I really wanted was the ZKIN, which is now gapping up. This is the only one that actually had an NFT PR from what I've seen. AMC, I don't see a flag here. It's just grinding higher. Failed breakouts can give you valuable information. If a failed breakout goes lower and puts in a higher low, that's valuable information. Of course it's part of the base. MFH, not NFT. Give it to me. Gimme. I want NFTs. CLVS. Oh, SPCB. I've traded this one before. Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Okay. Yeah, Tesla. weak sauce. Whew. Damn, that was a cold Nocco. Just as I like them. I'm watching some of the former leaders. If in case we go lower, I think Roku and Tesla are both kind of weak-ish, kind of bear flagging-ish. I don't know. Exactly. Until we're down to 300 viewers again, we won't start another uptrend. That's true. Via what? You ordered Nocco online to South California? That's awesome, man. No Nocco in Korea? Yeah, we gotta... Yeah, I think you can order it on the internet. Man, I should get some money from Nocco. I wonder how many new customers they've gotten from around the world. Yeah, I got my phone. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, the market trend is definitely downwards. At least Nasdaq, or not. Yeah, I would say for like. Yeah, it's not great. Especially like the leading or the former leaders. There's just not the juice. The juice is not there. It's a very dangerous market for swing traders. There are things working, but playing these stupid micro caps like this SLGG, OCG, GMBL, OGI, AESC, and some of the others, like that one I bought yesterday, YVR, I sold it. It's not really my game. I'm just doing it mostly because I'm bored. I just don't see much in large cap land. I bought some of this W yesterday and slammed into the close. We'll see. I won't trade Swedish markets ever. If there's a transaction tax, the only thing I will be trading is like episodic pivots. I will ignore everything else. And I'll just buy a yacht and live on a yacht or something. Bigger than the one I have now. I know there is no transaction tax in Sweden. That's not what I was talking about. Good luck, everyone. Well, don't do anything stupid. I don't think this is the market to be super aggressive in. Viak and Disco. Yeah, I don't see anything on them now, but maybe next week. NM, I don't see a parabolic here. It's just a grinder. Be careful with grinders. If you're gonna short parabolics, make sure it's a parabolic. Or wait for backside if you really wanna short it. Man, this Riot and Mara are looking juicy for next week. SNDL, I think it needs a little bit more time. It is building nice higher lows, but it needs to kind of tighten up a bit more. Same thing with Tilray and CGC and APH. They all look the same. If they can hold up, maybe we'll have some 5-star setups next week. Yeah, MSOS2. Yep. DMTK, yeah. I think the 20-day needs to come down a little bit, but yeah, it will be a nice setup. Yeah, GME breaking it down below this bear flag. Unfortunately, I don't have any, but I'm still a bit disappointed I never traded it here in the 263s, 262s when it broke this trend. Oh well. I'm not gonna miss AMC though. Is it shortable? Nope, not in my main account. Damn it. I guess I shouldn't have sold YVR. Oh well. Yeah, I don't know why AMC is impossible to borrow in my main account. Super weird. Etsy is, yeah, it's holding up well. It is. It's a really good setup. And if it breaks out next week, I will buy it. I mean, this is 4-star. Right now, breakout's not working well in this. So, gotta be careful. Can? Yeah. NIO also surfing the 20-day, but on the wrong side of the 20-day. On the way up, 20-day access support. On the way down, the access resistance. Is AMC about to break down? not messing around in this AMC. I missed GME, not gonna miss this one. Not going to miss this one. But instead I missed Roku and Tesla, okay. Can't win. You can't win. Oh, come on. Is everything gonna go straight down now? Can we get a little bit of bounce so I can add to some of these names? Oh, come on, Tesla. Bounce a bit. Not great price action. Oh well, it depends on how you look at it. Not great if you're long. But it is good for us. I mean, if we can get a real market washout, not the little cartoon pullback we had earlier in the month, like a real pullback. Get an undercut of the 200-day on the Nasdaq. None of those things matter, guys. There's always something. Quad witching, totally irrelevant. Yields, maybe. Sometimes they're relevant, sometimes they're not. Exactly. This is good. It's good price action. I hope we go lower. Get some get new bases in things. Get new setups. Remember, the easiest money is made after a market pullback. But you gotta survive the market pullback. Yeah, TME is one of the very few stocks that's actually moving higher. That one is incredible, but it's one of thousands. That's the problem. Look at the other China names. They're going lower, or bear flagging. That's the problem. That's what makes it so tricky. You keep buying breakouts because you see one stock working, but you don't realize 95% of those breakouts will fail. The odds of you capturing that one stock that goes, slim. Oh, come on, Tesla, bounce! Can't believe I missed those opening range lows. I was busy with AMC. Well, I guess this one. If it goes back to like $8, I'll be happy, but I want the others too. I sold about, let's see, I sold about 20% of my Upstart UPSD. I kind of guess I should have sold more. It was a big move. Like this is it's a mid-cap stock. It was up like 100%, yeah, and it went up 40% after my entry. No, it's not one of these micro-cap names. That's a huge move. A double in a day. That's a huge move for a mid-cap. But we'll see. But this is exactly what you want to see in an EP. Look at this volume. It was more than 10 times average volume. It's the same thing that happened to Snapchat, for example. This is why EPs can be so powerful. Look at this, Snapchat, same thing. Look at the volume. This first EP that started the move. The big earnings beat. Good guidance. And then he had a follow-through EP here. Look at Pinterest, same thing here. Look at the volume. Big beat. Look at the volume. Can Upstart... Wait. Oh, okay. Can Upstart go to like 200 in the next 6 months or something? Sure. Unless we go into bear market, but I'm gonna try to hold it for a long time. Gotta have patience. Gotta have patience. How the difference if you use the opening, you can use both. I use the 1 minute, the 5 minute. It's just forget about the opening range, the 1 minute, 5. Just buy it if it goes up. Buy it if it goes up. It's that simple. Like so many people are confused by the opening range size, the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 60 minutes. It's just buy it if it goes up. Don't get confused. Yeah, CLVS, nice volume so far. And if it takes out lows for the day, you get stopped out. EMC. I don't like the undergut and reclaim of the 20 EMA. Why is this thing so strong? It's now the leading meme stock. Mara, Riot, yeah, they need to set up. Let's see if these leaders like Roku, Tesla can build higher lows and reclaim their key moving averages. Oh, AMC, that's not really what I want to see. Damn, I thought it was gonna break down like GME did. But not yet. Yeah. Did I get filled on Tesla? But now I'm not excited about it anymore. Baidu is breaking down on the yeah, we'll see. It's not tight. I'm probably gonna get stopped. It's not tight. It's probably gonna rally back into these moving averages. Whatever. Tight stops. Roku I didn't get filled on though. I see. I got stopped out of that one, and now it's right back. Yeah, hopefully it goes sideways today, and maybe a few more days, and breaks out sometime next week. RMNI, yeah, looks good. Looks good for next week. How big is my average win versus my average loss? No idea. TCAT for short. I don't know. I don't know. Unclear. No, I'll cancel my Roku short. I'm not gonna start going crazy, crazy short. It's just, that's the thing with these markets. They show bearish setups, they show bullish setups. It's easy to get chopped up. I'm happy with my AMC and Tesla for now. Come on, UPSD. Go to 200 already. Yes, Sino is already, we know that already. It's not news that it's a NFT pump. How are the NFTs doing today? Some of them are up, some of them are down. Is there anything good on YouTube? Can't find anything good. Trailer Park Boys. Show some enthusiasm? No. I'll show enthusiasm when I see something to be enthusiastic about. Maybe Baidu short. This is also breaking this little bear flag thingy. Nah. I'm not gonna go crazy on the short short Rouge Trader. A Rouge Trader? Oh, you mean Rogue Trader? Nicolaisen. No. Yeah, I just scrolled through the hour 37-minute long video. Now I've seen it. Furus. Coffeezilla. Oh, sounds like my type of channel. It's busting fake gurus. Furus. I'll watch this later. You learn something new every day. That's the point. If you don't learn something new today, you have wasted your day. So if you learned something new, that's a good thing. Oh, UPST about to took out yesterday's ice. Holy shit, the strength in this thing. Man, I don't play. This is like the first. Is this the first EP I traded this earnings season? I think so, or maybe the second. Not bad. Is Tesla breaking down? I hope so, because I'm short. Oh, nice. Roku 2. Roku's losing the 100th day pretty firmly here. Like this one I never got. FLGT. Oh yeah, I did. No, not FLGT. It was Futu. No. Yes, Futu. But that was really, yeah, that was like on half size. It was like a little bit of an anticipation, but obviously it failed. Not really a good earnings season for EPs. But that's what happens when you get a big bull run. There's just no setups. EPs work the best when the market has gone, down or sideways. Oh shit, ETHC. Sorry for that candle on ETHC. I didn't mean to. Damn, Sikin. Yeah, because it's the most legit one of these. I actually had a NFT PR. The others are just too much speculation. So pissed. It just had to shake us out. Just had to take out those lows. Okay, great. Now it's gonna go to 20. Root. How do you know it's building a bottom? It looks horrible. OCG halted? Why? Why is OCG halted? What did it do? Is it volatility? Oh, it's a volatility halt. Okay, that's fine. OCG, I would like to increase my position by 1000%. Why? Where do you find the info and find out why it was halted so quickly? Very simple. I look at the 1 minute chart. I look at, oh, it's a 10% move in a very short amount of time. Meanwhile, the leaders are going lower, the large caps. Yeah, AI, I got stopped out too. That late day move 2 days ago, man. I was short this thing, and now it's breaking down. Slightly annoying. I have to say, it's slightly annoying. Trading is so easy. Yeah, EMC got stopped out. This one is strong. Oh yeah, upstart. Let's go. Why is AMC a pain on the short side? Oh, Zikin, I can't look at it. I can't look at Zikin. Why would you sell an episodic pivot on the same day? Episodic pivot is a type of trade you hold for weeks and months. It's not a day trade. Well, I guess you can day trade them too, but what was the biggest factor on UPST for that move? Volume. Man, this Roku. volume on most of the time is for losers. If you're waiting for a volume on a breakout, you're doing it wrong. But for EP, volume is key. I've said it before. EP volume is key. Context matters. How do I find? Well, to scan for things are gapping up in pre-market and after hours. Gotta be on top of those. Every day you should look at the news on the stocks that are gapping up. And then you pass on 99.5% of them. Because they're not gonna be worth your time. MREO? Not sure about this one. Maybe. Now W is taking out the highs. After it stopped me out of half of my size yesterday. I love these markets. I love choppy markets. They're so easy to trade. That's why I would love to rebuy it, but I can't buy any size on this thing. We determined yesterday 50,000 shares is the max I can buy before I have to file, so I'll just whatever. WBAI, it needs to tighten up. Yes, I do have sometimes another window with multiple intraday charts. Watch this intra. These are pretty much stocks I want to see on the intraday. if they interest me. Could be episodic pivots, or usually it's when I wanna short stuff. Facebook as NFT, yeah. I'm more interested in things that can actually go up 100-200% on NFT. Oh, CCL went back into range. This thing could be a nice base for next week. If you can hold the 20 and then tighten up. RCL. Airbnb is holding up nicely. But it needs more time. Facebook is strong. It's breaking out of a nice little flag on a weekly, but this is an ultra choppy one. What's Amazon doing? South Africa? Yeah. I'm involved in a company there. Maybe I'll come down there this year. Mogo? I don't see a setup here. My lines? Just an alert line. God, I can't look at this thing. I had 200,000 shares at like 810 or something, 815. And then I got stopped out. And then I never rebought it. I love this thing. Yeah, maybe. Fed meeting? What Fed meeting? No, just kidding. I know. I don't pay much attention to those things. What matters are setups. Lots of parrots? Where? GRWG. Oh, yeah, maybe next week. Needs to tighten up a bit more. Set an alert. Oh, no, wait, it's super thin. Whatever, I'll set an alert anyways. One of the best growth stocks. And look at what them started to move. An episodic pivot. Look at this. Look at what started this big move. Triple digit earnings. Oh, my gaming stocks are moving. Let's see. Some of the turrets are actually going. Guys, stop watching every tick on this UPST. Take the intraday charts off your screens. You don't need to watch them. Come on, guys. It's a waste of time. Set your stop and then watch YouTube or something. Stocks go up, stocks go down. And even the stocks that go up, go down in the meanwhile. Don't worry about it. Wait, what's... Oh yeah, GMBL. Can this one start going? It's an incredible flag here. UPST, it's not breaking down. Like, where... What? It's pretty much at the highs. Or, well, okay, maybe not at the highs, but it's building higher lows on the 60 minutes. Just take it off your screen. It's super strong. Bets, there's an ETF for it too. Bets. Oh, there you go. Scanning for earnings revenue results. No, I don't use TC2000 for fundamental. You built the setup database until you have reached mastery. Nerd. Bitcraft. Oh no. I got filled on partial on my order on the scientific. Man, I'm so bad at trading these micro caps. I'm the worst. I'm the shittiest micro cap trader. Or I'm just lazy. I haven't figured out which one yet. Man, Mara and Riot for next week. They're gonna be powerful. I just had a Nocco. Which tool can you recommend respectively to use for fundamentals? You can use Finways, you can use Coifin, you can use MarketSmith. Block, yeah. I don't do after hours scanning, but I do pre-market scanning sometimes. I sometimes have for yeah, so it's on Sun TC2000. Maybe this SI. Let's see, blockchain plays. Oh, SOS tightening. Oh, could be a setup for next week. Like this one. EBON could be a setup for next. I kind of like some of these crypto names. They can go sideways a bit more. Holy shit. There are some pretty decent setups developing. Not gonna lie. What's Bitcoin doing? Let's see. Bitcoin is relentlessly building higher lows. Look at these higher lows. Look at how it's surfing the 10 day. Not bad, not bad. Hopefully it goes sideways over the weekend. I don't want to break out over the weekend. I want to break out sometime next week. So we can get our setups. Etsy not waiting. Yeah. Not a great setup today though. Needs to get tighter. Alright, things are shaping up again. Saw some weakness, saw some. Hopefully Bido goes back into this range, builds a higher low, and maybe we get a breakout next week. See. It's so boring to be patient. It's so boring. But the trader who can withstand the boredom the best will be the one who comes out winning. On the other side. The people always looking for action, they're not gonna last for long. Okay, Roku is reclaiming the 100 day. That's very good. Good sign. Hopefully it goes back into the mid 300 range, mid high 300s, and maybe we get a setup next week or something. Tesla is probably gonna stop me out, which would actually be a good thing. Be a good thing if it stops me out and reclaims the 100-day. Ooh, looks like I got one. ASC. Why is GMBL not going though? This will go. It looks incredible. I think it's gonna double, triple once it breaks out of this flag. Interest rate futures? What the hell is interest rate futures? Gaving revenue breakdown. Mobile, yeah. Console, PC. The best traders always the most boring stiffs. I don't think you've met that many good traders in real life. SenGNI needs to tighten up. Apps needs to tighten up. Meta. I don't see anything here. I'm only boring when I'm unenthusiastic, and right now it's just. Even though I have some pretty decent pops in some of these micro caps. But I'm not in size on anything. I want to find something, like buy a $20 million position, and you know, something goes up 50%. That would get my that would get me enthusiastic. This is just like some of these names, like this IMT, I got partial fill, but like stuff like SLGG, these things need to double, triple for me to even notice the change in my counts. They're just so thin. You've seen my OnlyFans? No one's seen my OnlyFans. It's locked. CLVs as an EP. Yeah, great volume. Will it have follow through? I don't know anything about it. I know I traded this thing back in the day, many years ago. I traded this thing many times over the years. But yeah, volume is good. Volume is, wow, the volume is amazing. Highest volume ever. I think someone posted about it in the chat before. Did they have like phase 3 or something? Phase 3. Yeah, you can see it. Look at just in a like the average volume on this thing is what, like 7.5 million shares or so. It traded that in the first few minutes after the open. That's what you want to see on these smaller cap names. They should trade the average daily volume very fast. Volume was the key. I don't think this chat is making GMBL breakout. I've been talking about GMBL for 2 weeks now. I've been in this thing for 2 weeks. I'm seeing some nice reversal candles. Very good. Very good. Still not many setups. Head and shoulders pattern. It's like an upside down head and shoulders bottle pattern, yeah. If you turn a head and shoulders bottle up and side down, yeah, you're right. Head and shoulders, yep. Reverse head and shoulders. But imagine the text is upside down too. You're up 75% in 4 months. That's awesome. Fresh, yeah, fresh mint. Fresh. Is that a thing? Fresh mint. BCRX. It needs more sideways. It looks too random right now. Yeah, we could all make a lot of money every day, but we don't. Because we trade specific setups. And we don't get our setups every day. Of course, NFT is obviously relative strength. No doubt. NFTs right now is the most obvious relative strength. And it's not even close. Maybe I should add to my OCG. Go from a tiny position to a less tiny position. Man, the margin rules on IB are just so horrible. Worst I've ever seen. I can't even use overnight margin in IB. So stupid. Silver? Yeah, silver is... looks good. Silver looks... It's getting super tight here, man. I think silver may make a big move if it breaks out. Last time it had a breakout, silver went up 62%. I would imagine a similar move this time it breaks out. It's in a big long base. Obviously I'm gonna trade HEQ because that's the supercharged version of it. Last time, you know, silver made a move, this HEQ went up 155%. Let's look at the times I traded it. Which day did I trade it? Oh, here. That's my candle. That looks like my candle right there. Let's look at it 2 minutes so we can go back a bit more. It's so easy to see where I traded this thing. How do I go to the 2 minute? Wait. Here. Let's go here. There it is. These are my candles. I bought here, sold there. That's what trading is all about. You buy here, sell there. Best ETF ever. Have I been? I had hedge funds contacting me, but I usually ignore I just ignore everything. I don't care. But some hedge fund emailed me. But I never respond to stuff. Portfolio margin? How do I get portfolio margin? If Goldman Sachs offered me a 500 million to 1 billion account, would you trade for them? No. What's in it for me? I don't care how much they offer me. They would never be able to pay me what I would want to get paid. I apply to it up to 4x leverage, but that's what I get on. portfolio margin. Okay, I'll get portfolio margin on IB. I don't think I can get portfolio margin. You have to be a resident in the US, Canada, Hong Kong, or Singapore. Hey guys, anyone of you outside of the US that you have you portfolio margin? Yes. Can someone send me a link how to get portfolio margin if you're not in the US? $20 million. Well, actually, it would be a good idea if Goldman Sachs offered me $1 billion and just give me like 2% management fee. I would just take the year off, not do anything, and just take that 2%. 20 million free money. I would trade my own account instead and get the 22%. You'd be fired? Not before I collect my 2%. Wait, do I have to put on a suit and go to an office? Oh, fuck. No thanks. They won't allow, but if I do it on the side in secret... Wait, so if you don't have any hair, can you get a job at Goldman Sachs? No? Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna market order some illiquid small cap. Oh man, I would get fired on day one. And now W is going after it shook me out of half my size. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. What's the purpose of portfolio margin account at the IB? Well, since I have a regular margin account and everything is not marginable, I guess I could actually use some margin if I get a portfolio margin account. Go to account management on IB, just request P. Okay. Can someone screenshot where that setting is? I can't find it. Like everything else in IB, it's impossible to find. It's horrible. Can someone please send a screenshot? My risk management, it's the best. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't good. Can Slim? Yeah, Can Slim is a great approach. Can someone please screenshot where the setting is? There is no such setting. Fuck IB. I can't stand their web. It's horrible. All right. I'm getting excited about the coin names for next week. Oh man, there's so many things setting up. Oh, I need to get approved for options trading. Oh, do I need to be an options pro? Would I be interested in running a poll? I don't know. Or you have a flashback to what? Please tell us about the traumatic experience you had on this stream. XBEV, LI XBEV, what's NIO doing? Nah, not yet. I think they need more time, all of them. Okay, I'm falling asleep here. Okay, guys, thanks for joining, and I'll see you next week. Good luck. Have a great weekend.